Okay, beautiful babes, listen up. Black Friday and Cyber Monday are almost here. And guess what? You get early access to Revant Cosmetics sale starting November 19th through November 23rd. You can pick up your favorites, long-lasting gel eyeliners, glow and go blush stick, your precision eyebrow pencil. Yeah, and what the deal is, you can enjoy 30% off site-wide, plus an extra 10% off when you use my exclusive code, SweetAngel10. That's a total of 40% off everything. The link is in the description box, babes. Get on Revant's VIP list for Black Friday. Early access means you get to shop the 30% off sale before everyone else. Snag your favorite shades and must-have products before they sell out. Don't wait, beautiful babes. Sign up now and glow with Revant.